What's up YouTube? It is the boy Tropical Z here with another epic video, guys. In this video I will be showing you guys how to get your GeForce experience working again. First thing first, go to your start menu, type in run, enter, type in service.msc, enter again. Have a search for NVIDIA network service. So if it is off, you're going to turn them on and then start, press apply, then press close, and you're gonna do it. So also for this one, start it. If it stop, start it. If it start like mine, that's okay. Then you finish right there. Next thing you're going to do now, control panel, and then search for all NVIDIA drivers, all of them, and uninstall them. Uninstall all of them. After you've done uninstall all of them, then you're gonna open back. You're gonna install the NVIDIA software. You're gonna install the GeForce experience. Okay, then after you install the GeForce experience that you're seeing on the back of the screen right now, next thing you're going to do is go to drivers, and there you go, guys. There you go. There's your fix. Going to just download it back. In a few seconds I'll be back. And we have reached to the end of this download, guys. My apologies for my internet speed. Yes, so after this finish wrap up, and now we will be installing this these drivers. So this is how to fix GeForce experience, guys. If you install the driver before you install GeForce, it won't work. You see me? And as soon as you have some issues, you have to just uninstall everything. It's complicated, but that's how it works. Alright, so I am not going to do an express because I don't like program do things for me. I mean, it's going to be program doing it installation, but I rather to choose how I want these files to install. So as you can see, me uninstall everything. Always check this box, then install, and just wait for that to finish, depending on how fast your system is. As soon as that finish up, then it's done, and then everything going right back to normal. Thank you.